Now we are going to connect your club with sponsors. Whenever a fan sends money to your club, it will automatically connect your club with that sponsor. However, you don't need to wait for that. You can connect through the MyFavorito Dashboard right now. You can click the button below this video in the Welcome Assistant or click Communities in the navigation toolbar. Then click the Partner Search tab located at the top of the page. This will bring you to a map where you can search for specific partners or browse all partners in your local area. Once you find the partner you want to connect with, click on them. You can review the partner's information and click Create Partnership. A message will appear asking you to confirm that you would like to create a partnership with this business. Click Confirm, and now this partner has been added to your community. Partners can also reach out and ask for a connection with your club. This will appear in the Request tab, where you can accept or decline. Members of your community will now be able to see that partner in your club's list of stores and know that they can spend money with this partner and send it back to your club. In a later tutorial, we'll discuss how to build a contract with partners, where they will pay a monthly fee to be a part of your community.